Hi, it's me, your favorite Mountain Dew YouTuber, back at you with another video. So, I come to you today because I have some very exciting Mountain Dew related news. Pepsi said that they are going to release a Dirty Mountain Dew April 6th. Now, we're not there yet, but I figured I would try to get my hands on some and try it out to let you know if it's any good or not. Now, if you're like me, you're probably thinking that a Dirty Mountain Dew is just a Mountain Dew with dirt in it, but that's not right. April Fool! No, a dirty soda is a soda that has cream in it. Or like creamer. It doesn't have to be dairy, I think. I don't know, this is sort of more of a Mormon thing. It's not so much of a Southern Baptist thing. But yeah, Pepsi is capitalizing on the popularity of dirty sodas right now. And we're gonna try it. Oh, that's really good. My first thought, very first impression, this tastes like a key lime pie. You might have noticed the one I found is actually zero sugar Mountain Dew, which means it's healthy. So the full sugar version is probably better, but honestly, this is really good. Like I said, it tastes like a key lime pie. I'm gonna have Sean try this too because I know he doesn't really like a citrus and cream or citrus and vanilla sort of situation.
I was a little concerned, since we're filming this on the day that Jessica's presumably uploading it, that this is going to be an April Fool's prank, but it does smell like the soda it's probably supposed to be, so it's a good start. It's fine. I mean, regular Mountain Dew is fine compared to like Baja Blast or whatever.
You're a Baja Blast fan?
Yeah, I guess you could say that. And then I don't feel like cream improves sodas typically. Like, I'm not like a root beer float kind of person. I don't really care for like orange dreamsicle all that much. I mean, this is kind of that, I guess, which is fine if you like that sort of thing.
What dessert does it remind you of?
What dessert? I'm gonna admit something embarrassing. I've never actually had a key lime pie.
What?
But I assume that this is what a key lime pie tastes like, kind of, based on like key lime pie flavored yogurts and things that I've had over the years. For as influential as Mormons are, like considering their minority status in the United States, it's kind of sad that like their restrictions on caffeine has only gotten us this so far. They could have led a renaissance of like old-fashioned soda shops, you know, all across the state and spreading into the country beyond, and instead we get like giant sugary cookies and whatever this is. Like, that's the limit of their power culturally.
And Studio C.
Sure, if you say so. I don't know what that is either. For more tepid reviews of soda and other foods, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That might still do something. It might not. Maybe the algorithm's all shorts these days, but in theory, you'll never miss a video.